In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these mirrored coasters. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these raised mirror coasters using all Dollar Tree items. So the first thing you're going to need are these foam round pieces. They come in a pack of 2, and the round mirrors that you get from the Dollar Tree, or you could do the square mirrors, whatever you want. And I had some of the diamond wrap that's on the adhesive sheets. So I'm just going to glue my mirror down to my foam. Then after I let that dry, I'm going to get my little X-Acto knife or scalpel and just carve around the mirror. I have the blade right next to the mirror, so I'm carving around to get rid of the excess foam. And I found it, since it didn't go all the way through, I found it easier just to cut the sides piece by piece. There you go. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I like saving money. I like doing budget friendly projects like this. But I like for my DIYs to look high end, if you will, or at least professional looking. I don't like for them to look like a DIY. So now that I have all the foam cut off, I'll just go in and just clean my edges up, because I will be laying the adhesive around the perimeter. So I've already measured it. I did 4 rows of diamond wrap, diamonds. And I just cut it down the sides, and I'm just gonna stick it around the sides. I just thought this was a simple and inexpensive way to decorate in your home. You can use these for many things. I'm just gonna use mine on my vanity. So I want to go ahead and thank everyone for tuning in. And if this is a video that you think someone will be interested in, that you know of, go ahead and share it. If you like budget friendly content like this, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and click that bell icon twice, so you'll be notified when I upload twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. And so this is Miss V. I'm continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want.